Spend less, look expensive. Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I am taking you through how to fit in your braids. Does it sounds alright? Yes. So I am going to teach you how to fit in your braid today. And this is beautiful hairstyle, protective hairstyle that you can wear for long, and it keeps your hair free from damaging and protected from heat. Okay, so let's dive in. As you see in the video, this is how you fit in your braids, and make sure you don't cross over. I don't know if it's that making sense, but please, I always refer you to the video. See step by step on how I am fitting in my braid. You see, when I have added the braid, I don't do it like cross it over right away. I hold the one side, and then after I secure the one side in, I go again the other side. I release it and bring it through the same way. That is it. Anyways, I don't think my explanation is hitting the point, but if you look at the video careful, you will see. So stay tuned as we learn together. So far you can see the braid is looking nice and neat. And another trick for this hairstyle is that you will keep adding your braid, like step by step you keep adding the size of the braids. You can see from the video I started with one piece and then continue, and then again added like two pieces. I'm using Brazilian wool, and it is easy to detect that. As it proceeded, I keep adding more and more, and you can see it. And notice that here I start with one single piece of braid, you can see that, and as going on you will see I am increasing the size of braids, or you call it extension. So if you have noticed right now, I have started with one, and now the extension has increased from 1 to 2. So this will give you like a big look, is it? Well, the hair will look bigger than your natural hair. I hope it's making sense. But if you haven't understood me, keep watching and you will see. And now at this time I have had 3 pieces of extension together. I hope you are following. And from 3 I increased to 4. And that will give you the small start and finishing big. That's the purpose of adding in that method. Here I actually forgot to show you what I was using, so I had to remember in the middle of the recording to show you that I am using Brazilian wool. Yeah. So for how the hair looks in front, I wouldn't say that you must have the same style. You can be creative with it and just do what you feel like you want to do. Girl, just be creative. It is not must for your style to look the same as this one, but if you want the same one, go for it. Why not? And also another thing, you should have lots of mirror around you. So here I am actually braiding from outside and I have to have like holding mirrors to check how is my hair, how is it lining up straight. But even though I miss it, but still, we're in good track though. No much to complain about. Yeah. I'm sure at this point, every braider, anyone who does her hair alone, at this particular moment, they'll feel like, wow, we are at the final stage. Yes, and that's the last piece right there. And the excited in me, it's like I am overjoyed. Right now, I have something that would last me for 1 week or even more, and I'm about to finish. You understand? The struggle, the arms pain, and all that, it's almost done. Yes. And I hope you guys enjoy the video and you have learned something. And if you do, or if you did, indeed, if you have learned something, please hit the like, the subscription button, and don't forget the notification bell, and let me know how you feel about the hairstyle and what you learn and what you want to learn. Put it in the comment section and I will drop video for that. And for these ladies, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I will see you in the next one. For now, bye, much love.